Chugga 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 chugga.
You can go if you wanna go anywhere. I'll take you there.
I'm currently sitting in the car because on Monday I got my motorcycle permit and on Tuesday we got a bike, and now it's Wednesday and I'm gonna take my first lesson or ride or whatever. So I'm like seriously really nervous, but it should be fun. So I guess this is like the how to ride a motorcycle diaries or something like that. But I didn't even tell you what the bike was. It's a, oh shit. It's a Kawasaki Ninja 250R 2008 model. So there you go. Hey, so we just got back 2 hours ago. I did it. I hopped on the bike. So first my husband took me around town just to like get the feel of sitting on the back, I guess, and like feeling the engine, see what he's doing. Even though I was at the back, I couldn't really see like what his hands were doing, but I could feel when he was switching gears. And then we went out past the tip, which is a road where you can do 110 because it's 50 around town and it's 90 k's out to Mine Road, so 110. And after that we went out to Kings Lake. So we went out there and that's when I had my first go. So the first thing that he got me to do was sit on the bike, obviously, and then we took the stand off and he let me feel like the weight of it when it was tipped to one side and the other side, to see like how I would hold up if it was to kind of like lean a little bit, like fall when you're holding it at a stop. And so after that I started up the engine and then he talked me through what I was going to do. I'm happy that I can drive a manual car because then I can understand a little bit more like how to change the gears and like what the clutch is for and the brake and the throttle and all that shit. So it was good. And then he just got me to do like say 2 meters of riding. So 2 meters of riding with the clutch on. After that he asked me to release the clutch and just use the throttle. This is all in first gear, okay? We didn't get to second today. And so the first 2 times I stalled it because I've got to like find that, you know how like every car has a sweet spot? Well, I had to find it on the bike. And so I did it like the slowest that I ever could, like try and let it go and ease up. And it felt really good. It felt like a moped, but like a little bit more powerful, obviously. And so once I got going, I was able to like ride around the car park a bit. And then I just did that a few times. And then we practiced stopping as well. I don't know why, but when I wanted to hold the brake, I wanted to hold it with like all my hands. all my hands, all my fingers, instead of like just a couple of fingers. So I had to like readjust so that I was like holding onto the throttle and I had this finger on the brake and then the clutch here. So yeah, that was pretty good. I don't know, I liked it. Like it wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be, but I think tomorrow might be a bit more of a challenge because this is where we're actually shifting gears. So I don't know, I'm a bit nervous because like you actually do have to have like a bit of coordination because you're using this hand and your foot, and then you have the brake on the other foot, and it's just like, but I guess practice makes perfect. Hopefully in a couple of months I'll be able to sit my learner's test, like the actual practical, and then after that I will be able to ride. And then maybe like a couple of years down the track I'll ride something a little bit more powerful and actually go places. But for now I'm happy with where I'm at. I can't believe how like fast it progressed. It was literally like Monday, get your learners, Tuesday, get a bike, Wednesday, today, go and ride it. So it's been crazy, but it's been good. And I'm excited to see how far I can progress. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it there. Stay tuned. I guess, I don't know what to call this. Is it like a series or is it like a, I don't know. I'll think of a name and you can obviously tell by the title of the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult, and I will see you in the next one.